In this lecture, one of my first tricks I'm going to teach you is a trick I came up using what appears to be a jumbo deck of cards and one giant card, and I call it Jumbo Fun. Oh look, man, I've got another card. Wouldn't it be amazing if your card is on here?
Yes.
Oh, she says that like she doesn't believe me. Oh, yeah, that'd be good. I just cannot like this face down so I can't see it. I'm going to take your card and notice, Ben, that your card is on there. It's a stupid joke. Now I'm explaining to you how to use a regular jumbo deck of playing cards. They can give you any card that they want to give you. They teach you some bird magic. Now the kind of bird magic I'm talking about is probably not what you're thinking. I used to do an act where I had doves and I make them appear or disappear, but I got tired of cleaning the bird cage, so I switched over to rubber chicken. And and I'm using that type of comedy in my act now, and I'm having a lot more fun, making a lot more money. It looked like this. And he pulled it off just like that. And people were screaming, and you guys are freaking out, I can tell. I'll put it back on. Here we go. You want to see him? Yes. Okay, there he is. Now, as you can see, basically what I did is I took the feet off my rubber chicken and I stuffed it inside of an egg, and I put a feather on here to make it look more realistic. And the sound device is this little box back here. Okay, this next trick is done with a Jordan Ellis ring and a cloth napkin, and I call it Something Fun. Is it gone? It's still there, isn't it? Yes, well watch this. I'm going to reach underneath and take the ring off your thumb. Todd, I want you to say go.
Go. Just
like magic. The ring is gone. Did you feel anything?
Yeah.
You know where the ring is?
No.
Look. Oh, it's back on her thumb again. How'd it get there? Isn't that pretty weird? Now watch. I'm going to put it on my thumb this time. See, there it is right there? It's right there. I want you to take it off my thumb. Just reach underneath there and slide it off. Whoops, too late. It's gone. Wait a second, where'd that ring go, huh? And you put the ring on her thumb, and you press down the ring onto their thumb. Now, put it up with the napkin, and just like magic, it's gone. Okay, so this next piece of magic is a little bit of sleight of hand with some sponge balls. You take your hat away from you. I'll just take the ball, place it right here, and you just take... You didn't do anything. Is it back in your hat?
I don't know.
Check and see. Yep, there it is. I thought so. Look at that. So here's how I do it. I hold the ball with these two fingers on my thumb. I place the ball into my hand. These fingers curl up around the ball, hiding the ball, and I'm pushing down with my thumb and my middle finger. And think of one of the colors. Just think of a color. Now don't tell me what it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it through my hand. As I pull it through my hand, I'm going to change the handkerchief to the color that you're thinking of. Ah, yes, I think I know what it is. Yes? Is it possibly blue? Ah, it is blue. Oh, yes, I see. Look, just like magic, the handkerchief that had 4 different colors has completely changed to the color blue. Ooh, look at that, see? There it is, all blue. Next I have the poor man's Vanishing Bottle. But before I show it to you, watch this live performance first. Got milk? It's a health program, folks. I knew you wouldn't believe it. So there's the skin off the bottle, and there's your bottle that you're going to cut up. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our X-Acto knife, and you're going to notice that there's a little... Now we're going to perform some magic with a large coin, something like this. Hop! And at that point in the routine, I would say, well, that coin went right through my head, out the back side. I'd smack it just like that. Oh. And at that point in the routine, I would say, well, that coin went right through my head, out the backside. I'd smack it just like that. Oh. So this is coin through the head, which I've been performing for several years. And it's based upon the Bobo coin book magic of a trick of pushing a coin through your hand. Now I'm going to give you a bonus trick. This is what I've been performing for many years. You may remember it when you were just a small child, where you take the dollar bill with George Washington facing that way towards them, facing up, and you're going to make him turn upside down, open it up, and then all their eyes, all their attention's on this bill because when it comes down after you do the cutting, because you're going to take these sheets and you're going to cut them. Now you want to make sure to get a very good cutter so they're cut straight, so you can make as many bills as you can. Hey, there you go. That's the end of the lecture. I hope you've enjoyed the magic. I know this is material that I've used throughout my career, and I think you can too. Just give it a try and see what happens. Maybe we can add some more fun and laughter to your shows. It's been a lot of fun. Thank you for taking the time to watch the lecture. God bless. Well, that was fun.